What if you could create and sell an online course without ever showing your face, turning on a camera, or even recording your own voice? Sounds crazy, right? But it's 100% possible, and people are making thousands doing it. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to build a faceless course that sells, bringing in passive income while you sleep. No fancy equipment, no on-screen pressure, just a simple blueprint to start making money online today. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make it happen. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks. If you're into making money online, building side hustles, or creating a full-time digital business, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and let's dive straight into today's topic. So, how can you create and sell online courses without showing up? Let me break it down. First things first, why online courses? The e-learning market is booming. In 2023 alone, it surpassed $300 billion globally. People are hungry for knowledge and they're willing to pay for it. And guess what? You don't have to be a celebrity or a social media influencer to cash in on this. Step 1. Find a profitable niche. This is where everything starts. Choosing the right niche is like picking the foundation for your house. Get it wrong and everything else crumbles. Start by thinking about what people are actively searching for. What problems are they trying to solve? What skills are they eager to learn? Some evergreen niches include graphic design, coding, language learning, photography, personal finance, and even baking artisan bread. Here's how to find it. Go to platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable. Search for popular courses and pay attention to the best sellers. But don't stop there. Read the reviews. Look for complaints or suggestions. If a popular course has reviewers asking for more advanced lessons or clearer examples, that's your opportunity. Another pro tip, use Google Trends and answer the public to identify what people are searching for in real time. Also, consider niches that solve specific problems or cater to passionate hobbies. Think about it. People will gladly pay for a course that helps them land a job, start a business, or master a hobby they love. Niches like how to start a YouTube channel, beginner's guide to investing, or even mastering plant-based cooking are gold mines if done right. Step 2. Plan your course content. Now that you have your niche, it's time to map out your course. Don't overcomplicate this. You don't need Hollywood-level production. Just value-packed content that's easy to follow. Start with a simple outline. Break down your topic into clear, digestible modules. Imagine you're guiding a complete beginner. What do they need to know first? What's the logical order? For example, if you're teaching graphic design, your modules might look like this. 1. Introduction to graphic design tools. 2. Understanding color theory. 3. Creating your first logo. 4. Advanced techniques and trends. Keep it bite-sized. Each module should focus on one core idea to avoid overwhelming your students. Then, think about how you'll present the content. This is where the faceless part shines. Use slides with voiceovers, screen recordings, and engaging graphics. Tools like Loom OBS Studio and Camtasia make it incredibly easy to record your screen and add voice narration. If you're doing software tutorials, record your screen as you walk through each step. For concept-based topics, use dynamic slides and infographics to keep things visually appealing. Don't forget to add quizzes, worksheets, or mini projects. This increases engagement and helps students apply what they've learned. And here's a bonus tip. Use platforms like Canva to design beautiful slides and handouts, even if you're not a designer. Now let's talk about making it engaging. Ever sat through a boring PowerPoint presentation? Yeah, no one wants that. To avoid this, focus on keeping your course dynamic and visually appealing. Keep your voice energetic, add graphics, use animations, anything that keeps your audience hooked. Websites like Canva and Envato Elements are gold mines for templates and visual assets. And here's a game changer. Consider using avatars. Platforms like Vyond, Animaker, and Synthesia allow you to create custom avatars that can present your content for you. These avatars can be fully animated, lip-synced to your script, and designed to match your course's style. This adds a human touch without you ever needing to be on camera. Using avatars can also make your course more accessible and engaging, especially if you use them to narrate complex topics or guide students through interactive elements. Plus, they're perfect for maintaining consistency throughout your course while adding personality and flair. Experiment with adding interactive quizzes, clickable elements, and even storytelling sequences using avatars. This will help break the monotony and keep your audience actively engaged. Think about it. People remember stories and characters more than static slides. Next up, hosting and selling your course. Choosing the right platform is crucial to streamline sales and student management. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Gumroad are perfect for creators who prefer staying behind the scenes. They handle everything from payments and student access to marketing tools, freeing you up to focus on content creation. If you want more control, WordPress with plugins like LearnDash is an excellent option. It allows you to fully customize your course website, integrate with payment gateways, and create unique student experiences. Another great alternative is Podia, which not only hosts courses, but also manages memberships, webinars, and digital downloads, all under one roof. Consider what fits your business model. Do you want a hands-off approach, or do you prefer having full control? For many first-time creators, starting with an all-in-one platform like Teachable or Thinkific simplifies the process, while seasoned creators might prefer the flexibility of WordPress. Marketing your course is where the magic happens. No face? No problem. Digital marketing offers countless ways to promote your course without showing up on camera. Start with social media ads. Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads are powerful tools to reach your audience. Pinterest pins, especially for niches like crafts, food, or design, can drive massive organic traffic. Faceless YouTube tutorials are another winning strategy. Use screen recordings, slideshows, or even text-to-speech narrations to create helpful content that points viewers back to your course. Optimize your video titles and descriptions for SEO to increase visibility. Don't underestimate email marketing. Build a simple landing page offering a free resource like a cheat sheet or mini course related to your main course. Use platforms like ConvertKit or MailerLite to grow your email list and nurture your leads. Drip email campaigns are incredibly effective at converting subscribers into paying students. And here's a tip. Leverage affiliate marketing. Allow bloggers, YouTubers, and influencers in your niche to promote your course for a commission. It's a win-win. You expand your reach without upfront costs. Let me give you a real example. There's a creator who built a six-figure income selling Excel tutorials without ever showing his face. His secret? Engaging screen recordings, strategic YouTube SEO, and leveraging affiliate partnerships. He tapped into a niche with massive demand and kept his tutorials simple, clear, and highly valuable. Now, let's talk passive income. Once your course is live and your marketing is on autopilot, sales can roll in 24/7. This is the beauty of digital products. You create it once and it keeps selling. But here's the truth. Passive income still requires active maintenance. Respond to student feedback, update your course as needed, and continuously optimize your marketing strategies. Automate as much as you can. Use email sequences, schedule social media posts, and set up retargeting ads. These small tweaks can make a big difference in your revenue. And remember, consistency is key. Success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence, you'll start to see those sales notifications roll in. Celebrate the small wins and keep pushing forward. If you're serious about launching your own Faceless online course, I've put together a guide full of tips and strategies to help you start your digital business and start making money. Check it out in the first pinned comment on the video. Hey, if this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more money hacks, and leave a comment below. Which part of this strategy are you most excited to try? Thanks for sticking around. And remember, The digital world is full of opportunities. It's time to make money. Let's make it happen.